I knew when I walked in here that this house had amazing potential and was going to be a really cosy haven for us one day. And it was frustrating that it wasn't. And when I was able to really look at the amazing potential that was here, there is no reason for houses in Australia to have such high heating and cooling bills. You know, we spend way too much on our power bills. We are burning up far too many fossil fuels, both in the form of electricity and also burning natural gas. And in this region, burning wood as well. A lot of people have wood fires for heating. We are just squandering the resources that are available to us, and it is not necessary. The technology is here, it exists. Every house in Australia should be able to be comfortable with minimal heating and minimal cooling.